Yeah.
Copyrights and things.
Yeah.
Do you think?
Yeah, something like that. Morning, folks.
Morning.
Do you know, I didn't know it was a bank holiday weekend this weekend. Only found out yesterday. So we're setting off on Monday. But hopefully, most people are going to be coming
Back. Oh.
Well, you were on. Well, I don't know really, because we're on M62. They could be going in both directions, couldn't they?
It could be.
So
I'm not going to worry about that.
I don't usually travel on bank holidays.
Oh well.
No.
I'm not going to get uptight about
No. No, we're not.
people.
No, we're not, he says. Yeah,
What else have you got?
so somebody, I don't know how to put it really, but all this social media, it does make you nervous, makes you really cautious. And you may be being overcautious in some ways, I don't know, but I've been contacted, well, I made contact with two guys who were on Facebook. One of them contacted me, who said that he would do a free puppet show to promote my book. And I googled him, found out about him, and he said, you know, legit guy. I could see his videos of him with his puppets and that. So did I communicate with him by Messenger? I think I did, yeah, through Messenger. And I got this really strange email back from him. Just maybe my interpretation, how I interpreted it. But it just sounded weird. Because he used the word rap in reference to my book. Rap. Is there, I mean, I understand the word rap to mean the kind of music that I love. Does it mean something else that I don't know about? And then he also mentioned the possibility of people of going to Hawaii or somewhere where he's going to rent a hotel for filming. It all got really. I thought,
strange.
This is weird. This is weird. So I just backed off completely from it. And the other contact was a guy who he goes around schools reading and telling stories to kids. And he's producing a book for kids. And he wanted anybody who had written a poem suitable for a kid, a young'un. So I said, I've written a poem about penguins if you're interested, if that's any use to you. And he said, yeah, 100%. So I said, so what happens now? So he asked me for my email address so that I could send him the poem. And I've just got a big, long email from him about why he's initiating this book. And well, I haven't fully read it all yet. I'll read it later on, but it really makes you feel
nervous,
uncomfortable.
Yeah.
Am I all right here? You know.
Yeah, because you never know who's out there, do you? What's going on. I mean, you don't want to just sort of automatically dismiss these people, because I mean, what they've said they're going to do sounds pretty good.
Mm.
Yeah.
Yeah, it does. Yeah.
But there's so many people out there who are coming and get into all sorts of things that you just don't know who to trust nowadays.
And
Yeah.
the levels of sophistication are increasing as well. So at one time they were very obvious, but sometimes they're not.
Not saying that either of these gentlemen are rogues or con men or all.
No.
But you just wary, aren't you, all the time?
You are.
I mean, there's... Yeah.
Anyway. That's that.
Anything else happened? I don't think so. We had fish and chips for us tea last night. We couldn't be bothered. Alethea goes out on a Friday for a tea, so we thought, well, we'll have fish and chips. So.
But Tracy got in a queue of cars coming back. Coming down Ring Road, she says it was. Log jammed.
Yeah, because we got them from Wetherby Whaler.
In Putsey.
Which is about 15 minutes, would you say, away?
Yeah.
So she went up, I think she went up Farsley. Through Farsley to get to...
And Stanningley.
Yeah. And what she'd done a pre-order.
Click and collect.
Which, I mean, took a bit of doing, but she managed it. So when you go into the takeaway bit of the restaurant, you can queue for just to get your fish and chips, or you can queue for click and collect. Well, the first time she'd done it, so she were a bit unsure of how to go ahead with it. But then coming back, she decided to come Ring Road way. She thought it'd be quicker, and she got in a traffic jam.
Mistake.
So we had to put them in the oven to warm a bit when she got back.
Oh, still okay.
But they were very nice, yeah. Very nice.
Apart from cleaning attic windows.
Oh yeah, you did. Yeah, you did the attic windows.
I don't know whether I mentioned it in that little video I did yesterday.
You might have done. Yeah.
Apart from that.
You were a bit puffy after you'd done. You know, we had to rub at it, didn't you?
I know, yeah. Hard work.
Yeah.
I thank you. If I didn't thank you, Andy, for the prints.
Oh, it's lovely, isn't it?
It's absolutely gorgeous.
It's really lovely. Yeah. It makes it stand out, doesn't it?
Yeah, it looks good.
It looks good, that print of that.
You never sent me an invoice with it, though.
Oh, not a worry.
Yeah. Yeah.
Can hear
And what I've done, I'll tell you what I've been doing. You won't believe how thick I am. Well, you know, when I published the book, you have to have a ISBN number, and it cost me, I think it cost me 40 quid to buy an ISBN number. And I just thought, when you bought the ISBN number, International Publishing Company or Corporation, I thought that it were automatically registered. So when I thought I'd try and put my book on Amazon, and it's a really complex process selling on Amazon, to apply to sell on Amazon. Well, it was for me. I don't know how anybody else deals with it, but God dear. And after leaping all the hurdles and jumping through all the hoops, I finally come to a real brick wall because I discovered that this ISBN number hadn't been registered anywhere. And to register it, I had to send the book to the British Library to be registered. I didn't know that. Actually, you're supposed to do it within a month of publishing.
Oh, yeah.
So, I don't know whether they'll
Accept it.
refuse to register it, and if they don't register it, I don't be able to put it on Amazon. But also, I thought maybe I could put my drawings on Amazon using Fine Art America or somebody else. You know, Kim, you know that free printing book, I can't remember the name of their website. That you sent me that book, that lovely book, and I had 2 more printed, which I've sold. I thought, because you can do more than print books. You can have framed prints as well with them, or canvas prints. I wondered about linking with them. I don't know whether I'd be allowed to do that with them, or Fine Art America for that matter. But I've had to apply for that, and have to wait for that as well to see whether that works.
You're just like babes in the wood, aren't you? You know, you've no idea what's behind next tree.
No.
And
No.
how many vines you're going to trip over in one way.
I know they ask you questions in these applications that you really don't know how to answer. I think I'm not quite sure what they mean. You know, it's it was like I once got asked on one of the phone, I got, when did you publish your book? Now you think that would be a simple question, and I published my book in 2023. But at the time I were asked the question, I hadn't published it. And I didn't know whether they meant when I was, because it's too complicated. It's too complicated.
Spit it out.
But I just find everything so ambiguous. How do you answer these questions? What is it exactly they're asking me? But you can't ask them to put some flesh on the question. You just can't. You're just left there to figure it out for yourself. So many times I've had to Google things to find out what something means. Because I just don't really know what they mean. Anyway, let's have a few pages out of this diary. So 22nd of December 2017, Tracy, David and Alethea went off to the wedding at 11 a.m. Now that's the wedding we're talking about.
Yeah.
It has been a time of stress for Tracy. She buys presents for every Tom, Dick and Harry, but looking for a dress and a pair of shoes and a suit for David has been an ordeal.
Yeah.
I did a bit more drawing, and then we went up to Farsley to the jewellers to take a pearl necklace of Tracy's to be repaired for a Christmas box. We went to the butcher's and paid for the meat, ordered and brought it home. Well, the meat order and brought it home.
Yeah.
Tracy will go mad because she told us not to do that. Right, the 26th, so Boxing Day,
Oh.
Alethea came into our bedroom at 7:30, so excited. We all went downstairs and Alethea opened all her presents. So didn't
Well,
we?
it must have been 25th.
Well, did we not?
Did we not open them on 25th?
Did she not open them on Christmas Day? Because Grandma and Grandad were coming on Boxing Day.
Oh, right. Probably.
And it was time to get on with the dinner. I didn't have such a good day. I dropped the parsnips on the floor. And as if that wasn't bad enough, I fell up the steps and spilled 2 prawn cocktails. I remember that.
Because we didn't eat down here. We set up a table upstairs because Maureen Cat couldn't get down the steps. So we had to do it all on one level, didn't we? So
That's David's man.
we put the hostess trolley on up there and carried stuff up and kept it warm in the room.
Aye.
Bit of a squash, but we managed.
Later I got short of breath and had to take my blue inhaler.
Oh.
And that set my heart racing. Just wasn't my day. But otherwise, it all went well. The dinner was lovely. Yeah, I have had asthma since I was a kid. I take a brown inhaler on a morning and I have a blue one. And I think the blue one's salbutamol. No, prednisolone, is it? Well, no, I think it's salbutamol. I don't hardly ever, in fact, I so rarely need to take it. They generally go out of date and I have to order a new one.
It's there for emergencies.
Just there for an odd occasion when I do get, every now and again, get short of breath. Adi and Emily, Maureen and Bill left. Adi and Emily. Adi is David's son. Eldest son. And Emily is his girlfriend. They're still together.
Been
together years. Yeah.
Yeah, nice girl.
Yeah.
Adi's a nice lad.
Adi is, he is.
He's lovely.
Yeah, he is.
Yeah.
He's a great lad.
I think they brought Maureen and Bill, didn't they? They drove them across that day. So that's why they all left together.
Yeah.
They left about 7 p.m.
Yeah. And David and I took the table back to bits.
I think we borrowed it from Club.
Ah.
That table.
And the Rodley Social Club, yeah. So the 27th. Yesterday started wet, but thankfully it fined up in time for going out. We drove to Guiseley because Tracy bought us tickets to see John Cooper Clarke. Guiseley? No.
No, it wasn't Guiseley, was it?
No.
It was,
Bingley Arts Centre. Tracy bought us tickets to see John Cooper Clarke in March, so we went to find out where it was. We parked at the theatre and walked to Wetherspoons for a coffee. We had a good walk round. Where? Bingley. We had a good walk round Bingley. It's a nice place. The shop where Melvin and I used to go to for musical instruments was closed. Yeah, I mean, when we played in the band, me and Melvin, we used to go on a Saturday and drool over all this
equipment.
All these gizmos. Yeah.
It was a nice day.
Yeah. Had tea, which was left over from Christmas Day, and watched TV in the evening.
Yeah.
Like most people.
There you are.
Yeah, 2017.
Wow.
1800. Blimey, 6 years ago. Yeah, swifter than a Weaver's shuttle. That's life. Well, that's a video for today, folks. So all being well, we'll see you tomorrow.
Yes.
Bye everybody.